In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a threaded gate valve. This is threaded on both sides. And I have a leaking gate valve. And as you can see, it's dripping pretty good. So this was spraying across here, so I put some tape on here, so then that's directing it, so I have it coming down and dripping down here onto this rock. I'm going to show you how to remove this gate valve. This is a threaded gate valve. It's threaded on both sides. This is the gate valve we will be using. As you can see, it's threaded on both sides. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find a spot that we can loosen this up. So I come here, and then I'm going to follow this back. And I can loosen this up right here at the meter. Now before we loosen anything, we need to shut these gate valves off. And then you're going to need to make sure they're snug. You'll actually hear the water slow up once you have both of these. We also need to shut this off so that we don't have water backflowing and putting pressure. And as you can see now, it's just dripping. So now we're going to remove this. So next we're going to unscrew this portion right here. And last we're going to remove this bad gate valve. Okay. Next we're going to put our thread tape here, and we're going to do 4 or 5 spins. I'm going to do that in the clockwise direction. And then next we're going to spin on our new gate valve. Okay. And we're going to need to go around 4 or 5 times here. So anywhere where you have threads, we're just going to put thread tape down. And so I have a third piece here, so I'm going to go over this one as well. Okay, I'm going to thread that main piece back on again. Okay, and then we're going to thread this last piece on here. And we're going to tighten this till it's snug. And when we tighten this, we want to make sure that we're leaving our meter in the right spot here so it's up. We're going to go through and check our other ones. Those are tight. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to come back to our gate valves. We're going to turn these on and see some pressure. I'm not going to turn these on all the way until I open it up. I'm going to come back to this. Allow water back to the house. I'm going to open these back all the way. So we're gonna go back through all of these spots, dry everything up here with the towel, and then we're gonna come back down and make sure nothing's leaking. Now that we're done, the last thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna come through here, and anywhere we worked, we're just gonna run our hand under there, make sure that there's no leaks. We've waited about 20 minutes now, and I'm just coming through on the undersides. No moisture. We're just gonna go through all the area that we just worked, and there's no drips, and that's all there is to it. It takes 30 minutes with wait time tops. Pretty simple to do, and hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So I'm walking out